Hey everyone, I'm back with Home Assistant today. I had gotten a request on my last video where I integrated the WYZE Sense component, like the contact sensor in Home Assistant, by adding a button. I had a video request on how to make an automation based on it. Like, so when this is triggered, like it turns on like a light. So that's actually pretty easy. Here's my sensor with the button. I haven't touched it since the last video. It's been about a week. Battery level is at 90. To do that automation, like of turning your light on, you're going to want to head over on your left side under configuration and scroll down to you see automation. And then you want to hit the plus button at the bottom. Now that you're here, you want to give your automation a name. So WYZE button pushed. And then I'm going to have it turn desk underglow on. Just because that's right here. And apparently underglow is 2 words. So when the state, you want to state here the entity, your WYZE binary sensor, which is this one, because it stays on, from off to, it's from on to off. That's all you have to do for triggers. Conditions is like if you only want it to trigger once like something is on or off, or like if the desk is currently on and I wouldn't want this button to turn it on or off. Actions is going to be a call service, and I'm going to do a toggle, home assistant.toggle, and then the service data is what your entity, like what you're going to make it do. So easy way to find this is to go to your developer tools, and then from there go to services up here, and then what you want to do is just toggle again. This is like a pretty easy way to find it. And then I'm going to look for desk, which is what I want to toggle. You're going to want to grab the JSON file, like the JSON format text here, not this. You want this. So we're just going to copy that. We're going to paste it in the service data here, and then hit save. So here we are with the button. As you see, when I click it, the lights go off almost instantly and back on because it's just toggling it via the automation. It also updates in Home Assistant on the UI pretty fast. And I hope you enjoyed this video and hope this will help you out. You can literally make it do anything. I can make it toggle a script, or it does multiple things, or an automation or something. You can do the turn on and then put the entity ID for the script. It'll be like script dot whatever. You get that from the service tab again. So hope that helped. Thanks everybody for watching. Let me know if you have any questions down below.